Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to change the volume buttons function in the camera app on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the camera, and let me check for what the volume buttons are responsible for right now. So let me press the volume down button and volume up button, and as you can see, they've got their normal regular function applied. In order to change it, we have to enter the settings, which are in the left corner, let's say, and now we have to scroll down in order to find shooting methods. Let's tap on it. On the very first position, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 3 options to choose from. Now we've got system volume applied, but we can also set zoom or to take picture or record video. So let me pick zoom, for example. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. Now we can go back to the camera and let me press the volume down button. And as you can see, maybe press the volume up button, and as you can see, thanks to this I can get closer to the object, and by pressing volume down button I can zoom out. So this is the option we can apply, and let's check the last one. So let's find the shooting methods again, press volume key 2 and tap on take picture or record video. Let me get back and let me press volume down button, and as you can see the camera flashed, so it means that we just took a photo, and with volume up button the same situation. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change the volume buttons function in the camera app in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.